How to fix invisible face in Unreal Engine 5. In our scene, we have this character, and this character download from Mixamo, and sometimes we will miss this problem. And you can see this character, his shoulder have this some problem. And what should I do? The next thing, we select this character and find the material, and we select it and open it, and we scale it up this window. Okay, and we select two sides and apply it. And yeah, you can see it. This problem is fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.